screen you're watching this on to the buildings that shelter us, the bridges we drive over, and even the medicines that keeps us healthy. They all share one fundamental connection: engineering. But what is engineering really? At its heart, engineering is the creative and practical application of science and math to solve problems. It's about taking an idea, understanding the scientific principles behind it, and turning it into a working reality. Engineers aren't just inventors. They're professional problem solvers who follow a rigorous process. This is the engineering design process. They first ask a question or identify a need. Then they imagine and brainstorm solutions. Next, they plan and design a prototype. They create and test that prototype, and finally, they improve based on results. It's a continuous cycle of innovation. Engineering is an ancient discipline. Think of the Roman aqueducts or the pyramids, but today it's more complex and collaborative than ever. A good engineer needs more than just technical skill. They need creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to communicate complex ideas. Engineering is a massive field, but it generally divides into four core branches. First, civil engineering, building our world's roads, bridges, and infrastructure. Second, mechanical engineering, right aerial designing and building moving parts like robotic engines and manufacturing systems. Third, electrical engineering, dealing with electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism, from microprocessors to power grids. And fourth, chemical engineering, transforming raw materials into useful products such as plastic fuels and pharmaceuticals. We also got computer engineering and environmental engineering. Of course, the field is always growing. Subdisciplines like aerospace engineering design, aircraft and spacecraft, while biomedical engineering blends engineering with medicine to create devices like pacemaker and artificial organs. Computer engineering combines electrical engineering and computer science to build hardware and software systems. Take a look at this example. You have a simple need, a safer, more sustainable way to drink clean water. A civil engineer might design a new filtration plant. A chemical engineer might develop new efficient filtering membranes, and a mechanical engineer might design the pumps to move the water. What we got here is the problem. Houses lose heat in winter, leading to discomfort and high energy bills. One of the engineering solutions might be material science engineers develop advanced insulation walls materials to trap heat and reduce energy consumption. Engineering doesn't just involve improving our lives. It carries a more massive responsibility. Today, engineers are on the front lines of solving global challenges like climate change, developing renewable energy sources, and creating infrastructure that can withstand natural disasters. Ethics and sustainability are crucial considerations in modern design. So if you love to figure out how things work, if you get excited about taking a problem and designing a solution, then you might have a mind of an engineer. It's a career that shapes the world and drives human process. Ready to start designing your future? The world is awaiting for your next great solution. Thank you for watching this video.